We believe that providing our caregivers with comprehensive support and guidance from the very beginning is essential to their success and the quality of care we provide to our clients. That's why we have established the Mentor Program, a structured 3-month evaluation process designed to ensure our new caregivers receive the training, feedback, and encouragement they need to excel in their roles. Each caregiver is assigned a caregiver mentor, who will serve as their mentor when they are hired. The mentor will closely monitor the caregiver for the first 12 weeks to ensure they are adapting well to their role and responsibilities. During this mentorship period, the caregiver mentor will complete caregiver competency ratings to highlight the skills the caregiver has demonstrated. At the end of the 12-week period, the caregiver mentor and the caregiver will meet to conduct a 3-month evaluation. This evaluation will use the caregiver's self-assessment and the caregiver competency rating form to review progress and identify areas for improvement. Typically, caregivers will graduate from the Mentor Program at this time, and a certificate of completion will be awarded to them at the next monthly caregiver training meeting. It is possible for a caregiver to graduate from the Mentor Program before the 3 months have expired, depending on how quickly they master all the required tasks or based on their experience level when they join us. This flexible approach ensures that each caregiver receives the support they need to succeed in their role. The Mentor Program is crucial because it provides new caregivers with a structured and supportive environment where they can learn and grow. By receiving regular feedback and guidance from their caregiver mentor, caregivers can quickly develop the skills and confidence needed to provide high-quality care to our clients. This program not only enhances the caregiver's experience, but also ensures that our clients receive consistent, compassionate, and competent care.